Recommended use. Recommended for ages 3, holds up to 50 pounds. For Spider-Man fans, this fun chair desk features colorful graphics of Spider-Man, ideal for homeschooling or remote learning. Kid-friendly design. Desk sits low to the ground for easy access. Size, assembled dimensions, 20.47 L x 22.83 W x 23.23 H. Tons of storage. Desk features pull-out storage bin under the seat that provides ample space for toys, art supplies and more. Built-in cup holder is ideal for art supplies. Durable construction. Made of engineered wood and fabric built to withstand years of use. Scratch-resistant finish protects the colorful graphics. Wipes clean easily with dry cloth. Top reviews from the United States. Would buy again. Great purchase. Easy to put together and children loved it. I bought this and the Sesame Street one for my twin nephews. They loved them and sat in them all Christmas morning. They are almost 3. Company was great when emailed regarding shipping. Very pleased.